Bellabin Chinese Food kitchen. In today's kitchen, I'm going to share with you a recipe of stir-fried broccoli and mushrooms. The material for this plate are broccoli, baby king oyster mushroom, that is a whole box, and I only use half of it. If you cannot find this kind of mushrooms, you can use regular mushroom. It's okay. Then pork tenderloin, 1 green onion, 1 red hot pepper, oil, soya sauce, oyster sauce, and salt, and potato starch. First, let's make potato starch liquid. That's 1½ teaspoon of potato starch. Add in 4 tablespoons of cold water. Stir a little bit, set aside. Then let's cut the pork tenderloin. Cut into a few slices. Then we cut across the grain of the meat. Cut them into thin slices. Then put the slices of meat into a plate. Next step, we cut the green onions into small pieces, and then slice the red hot pepper into thin thread. We cut each mushroom in the middle, then cut each part into thin slices. Next step, let's cut the broccoli. The broccoli already been washed. We cut in the middle, then become 2 parts. One is the flower part, one is the root part. Then we cut flower part into small pieces. Then put them into a plate. Then we cut the root part. We cut into 3 segments, then cut each segment into thin slices. Then put them into a plate. Next step, we blanch the broccoli and the mushrooms in the boiling water for about 30 seconds. You see, beside the Dutch oven, we prepared some cold water. And then when we take out the broccoli and the mushrooms, we're gonna put them into the cold water. Okay, it's about 30 seconds. We take them out. And then put them in the cold water. Next step, we heat a stir-fry pan over high heat. When the pan is very hot, then add in 1 tablespoon of oil. And turn the oil in the pan. Then add in the pork meat. Stir fry. Until all meat change color to white. Then we add in ground Sichuan peppers. Stir fry, stir fry. Then add in green onions. Stir fry. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in the red hot pepper. Stir fry, stir fry. When the pepper is softer, then add in broccoli and mushrooms. Then we stir fry the mixture a little bit. Then we add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of oyster sauce. And 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Stir fry, stir fry. Mix everything well. Then stir the liquid potato starch first. Stir, stir, stir well. Then add in the liquid into the pan. Now we stir a little bit. And stir, stir. Stir fry. Wow, it's looking nice now. Okay, now everything is well cooked. We turn off the stove, then transfer the mixture into a plate. Wow, they're looking so nice. One go out of the plate. We're gonna pick up soon. That's okay. Oh, so beautiful a plate. And it's also very good taste. How do you like my recipe? And if you like my recipe, you can click subscribe button plus the bell, and every time I have a new recipe coming, you are notified. Thank you very much. And take care, keep well. See you next time.